In Flowmagic, a workflow means a combination of applications connected together in a logical fashion to represent a business process. Let's take a simple example of processing a standard application form filled by a customer in her handwriting. The business user opens up a scanned application form and performs two main tasks. 1. Digitizing the information by entering it manually in a software, and 2. Identifying any missing information and requesting the same from the customer over email. Let's see how you can automate this process using Flowmagic. You start off by clicking on the Create New Workflow button on the top right of the screen. Give a name and description and click Start Workflow. This brings you to the workspace with all the applications on the platform listed in the app drawer on the left. You start off by dragging an app called Local File Uploader onto the workspace, which fetches the application from your computer. Next you drag an application called Doc Parser, which reads handwritten information from standard forms. You simply connect these two apps with a line, and the system will prompt you to match the appropriate nodes on the two apps. Some of the apps have configurable settings which you can adjust based on your needs. Next you drag the Missing Data app, which identifies any information that is missing from the form, and connect it to Doc Parser. Finally, you drag and connect the email app to the Missing Data app. And there you have it, your very first workflow. A job is nothing but an executable version of a workflow. To set up a job for the newly created workflow, go to the Workflows page, find the new workflow and click on Create Job. Supply the basic information, such as a name and description, and whether it's an ad hoc or a scheduled job, and click Save. Your job is now ready for execution. Any job can be run from the Jobs page, or it can be run on a schedule if so configured, or triggered from outside the platform via an API invocation. You can also change the job type or configuration for any application within a job by editing the job without affecting the original workflow. You can visually monitor the status of all jobs from the platform. You can also download the output and logs for applications within a job for analysis and troubleshooting purpose.